I looked into LibreCAD, and honestly, it's a solid open-source 2D CAD software, but only if you understand what it's meant for. Because of its simple interface and free price tag, some people expect it to replace professional tools like AutoCAD. That's not what LibreCAD is designed to do. It's a lightweight 2D drafting program, great for technical drawings, floor plans, and mechanical sketches. The interface may look dated, but once you get used to it, the tools are reliable and precise. For students, hobbyists, and small projects, it's more than enough. And because it's open source, you don't have to deal with subscriptions, licenses, or activation limits. Where LibreCAD falls short is in advanced features. It doesn't support 3D modeling, BIM tools, or complex project workflows. The learning curve can also feel stiff because the documentation isn't as polished as paid software, and since it's community-driven, updates can be slower. Is it a scam? Absolutely not. It's a legitimate, free alternative for basic CAD work. Just make sure your expectations match its capabilities. If you need a simple 2D drafting tool, LibreCAD is a great option. If you need professional-grade engineering features, you'll need something more advanced.